of the Hart family.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
A man who is part of one of the most legendary dynasties in this industry.
Made his own mark on this industry. And who could forget that maniacal laugh? This poor schlub is preparing for a hardcore fight of his life against an opponent who lives to suffer. A complete maniac. Perhaps the most dangerous face of Foley.
And his opponent from Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, weighing in at 287 pounds, Cactus Jack!
I mean, Cactus Jack has literally left body parts in rings all around the world.
Yeah, this is a dude who's seen more blood in his career than a horror film director.
Imagine how you gotta feel you're Cactus Jack's opponent.
Cactus Jack is ready to take aim at the entire WWE locker room.
And the hardcore icon never misses. Bang, bang!
Start of this match has officially begun, and Cactus Jack looks ready to inflict his sadistic brand of violence. No attack off limits, no weapon too dangerous. If it causes pain, Cactus Jack is willing to go for it, because he absolutely loves it. This might not even be a match. It might just be a matter of surviving Cactus Jack.
But something we know for sure is that the Anvil will not waste any time and will get straight to trying to bludgeon his opponent.
Yeah, Jim Neidhart always looks to incapacitate whoever's standing in front of him, maniacally laughing the whole time. Ow. Oof. Cover here. And he breaks the pin right away.
He might just be trying to frustrate his opponent a little.
Oh my gosh, what impact. Taking out the arm, great strategy. Oh, what a headbutt. And for a guy like Cactus Jack who just keeps coming back, how do you manage to keep him down? Just keep attacking again and again. It might not take one big move. It might take 10. Just keep going and don't stop until he isn't moving. And then hit him again just to make sure. And look at front back suplex. Very nice. That holds back Cactus Jack's attack.
And Cactus expected that.
Taken to the floor, and he's got no worries about the count. And retaliates with a counter.
The Anvil. Camel clutch.
Camel clutch applied. They're not going to last long here.
Wait. The grip is broken. Ooh. Cactus Jack has it locked in. The mandible claw.
Cactus Jack is taking risks, and they are paying off big time.
Wreaking some serious havoc on his opponent.
Running leg drop. He's able to reverse it. And he throws the opposition back into the ring.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart, tremendous power, and nice power slam. Cactus Jackson Dyers.
He did it! He did it!
Here is your winner, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
This is a major upset for Cactus Jack. Pack your bags.
Jack. Drag your feet on back to truth or consequence.